The mobile application provides the ability to locate your mobile device utilizing your device's GPS functionality. Please note that the GPS feature does not work properly when connected to Wi-Fi networks. Cellular base or Bluetooth receiver connections provide the best results. On the main menu, select the Show My Location option. If you have not yet done so, a prompt will be given asking for permission to activate the map feature. By clicking Yes, the application will navigate to the map pane, which loads the map and zooms to where your device is located according to your GPS coordinates.